What's up YouTube? My name is Caden and you're watching Gas at Garage. In today's video, I'm going to be finishing up the last couple things that I need to do on my 420cc dirt drag bike, and then I'm going to take it for one final ride and rip before I sell it. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so in the last video of this project, we got this entire frame completely painted, and I have to say it looks way better than what it did before. I also cleaned up a lot of the welds, especially on the wheelie bar, and even though they are still visible, they're a lot less bumpy than before, and it just doesn't look as janky. Now it's all one even color and an accent color on the wheelie bar and the forks, and this thing looks so much better than it did before. And then I also repainted this because it was so faded, it was almost like a bright pink color, which looked kind of ugly on this thing. So I repainted that. Now in today's video, I want to repaint the fenders, and I mentioned this in the last video that I would think about repainting them, but I just didn't last time because I didn't want to worry about having to tape everything up and taking a whole bunch more time to do that, mainly because I just didn't have a whole lot of time when I was filming that. So now that I have some more time, I'm going to tape up around the stickers that I have on here and around that reflector right there, and I'm going to paint up the fenders the same color as this so it all matches and looks really good. And then I'm also going to clean up the seat a little bit, wipe down the gas tank, clean this thing up a little bit more, and then I'm also going to change the oil in the engine because it's been run quite a bit and it is a high performance engine, so it does need an oil change. And then I'm also going to be cleaning the CVT cover as well as the CVT itself, because it is having some belt slip issues at higher speeds. So I might end up replacing the belt as well, and also cleaning out the driver clutch. And then after those things are done, I can finally take this thing out for one last ride, because after that, I am going to sell this thing. So let's start by taking the fenders off, getting them taped up and painted. Alright, so now that I have the fenders all painted up and clear coated and they've had time to dry and fully cure, now I can bolt them back onto this mini bike. So let's go ahead and do that. so we got the fenders back on, and I have to say this thing is looking awesome. So now I'm going to change the oil in the engine, and I'm also going to clean the CVT cover as well as the CVT itself, and then we can take this thing out for one last ride. Alright guys, now that I have the oil changed and the CVT all clean, and I also adjusted the rear brake off camera, now I can finally take this thing for its final ride. Now, I will take the wheelie bar off for the main ride, but first I'm going to do some really cool hard launches in the driveway here, because I was driving this thing the other day and holy cow, this thing launches so hard on pavement, even though it is a dirt tire on the back. So unfortunately, I don't have any more dirt around here to rip this thing in, but I'll drive it up and down the street and probably go really stinking fast on this thing. So enjoy the ride footage. All right, guys, so I got all the cameras hooked up, and I got a new 360 camera that I put on my mini bike here. It's a little janky, but I mean, it works pretty well. So I should be able to get some cool shots with that. So right, guys. That's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.